Okay, I'm back, guys, and this is FTB again, because, like, one of my viewers said, I'm only going to do one series for a while, until it, like, finishes, which should be a very long time. So I hope you guys are enjoying this series as much as I am, and learning new things. If you want me to do an how to install video on how to get FTB, I'm very welcome to do it. And if you want me to do a how to install Screencast-O-Matic, I am very welcome to do that as well. So, last time we got lots of stuff done. Well, in the last few videos. Oh yeah, we got this macerator going. Let's start smelting it. What's the next thing we need to make? Don't know. What should we make? An electric furnace. That's what I want. And a bat box. I should make a bat box. Bat. Which one's the right one? There's two of them. Which one uses... No, I don't think that's the right one. Yeah, this must be the right one. Oh, any type of wood. So, 5 pieces of wood, 3 RE batteries. Oh, I can do that another time then. Let's just make an electric furnace. One of those. An iron furnace. And 2 redstone. So last time there was another recipe. Maybe that was just the generator. So an electronic circuit. I've got that stuff. I just need more wire. Let's get 2 pieces of redstone. A piece of refined iron. Don't think I've got any of that left. Let's just refine this. Right, is this all done yet? Yeah, it's got tons left. Grab you. Let's make some copper wire. And then it was... Alright, let me get some more redstone. Alright, get all of it. Why not? So it was refined iron in the middle, 2 redstone, and then copper cable, 6 copper cables, I think it was, yeah, and then that goes up there, that goes there, and that goes there. I need to make the iron furnace first, so let's do that. Iron furnace. Let's do that, it's cheaper. Alright, whoops. It's cheaper for the amount of iron that you need for this mod pack. Get that. Like this, I think. With the furnace right there. Yep. iron furnace. And then, boom, an electronics furnace. Yay. Let's go underground. Put the wires underground. Alright, let's move these actually. Oh crap. I need to make my macerator again. Oh, I need a wrench to break it, don't I? Oh, god dang. Oh, let's just put all this dust in there. And I need some more flint. So, where's my gravel? How do I make a macerator again? Macerator. 3 flint, one of those. 2 cobblestone. Okay, I've got the cobblestone, I've got the other stuff. I need more copper wire. Do I have any copper ore? Let's smelt some more. Oh, no, froze. No. What? Okay, I'll be back when I'm back on. BRB. Okay, I'm back. And it wasn't really that bad. Just had to turn it back on again. Okay, let's smelt 2 pieces of iron. Copper. I guess this game just really hates copper. Wow. Okay, give me this copper. First, let's get the flint that we need. Come on, give me some flint. Give me all the flint. There's 1. Ah, perfect. Alright. Okay. Oh, I only need 3 pieces of copper. I'm so stupid. I always do that. Oh well. Spare copper. Okay, how do I do it again? 6, 1 refined, 2 redstone. 1 refined iron. 2 redstone. And 6 copper cable. Electronic circuit. Machine block. 2 redstone? No. 2 cobblestone. And 3 flint. Perfect. Okay, before we break it again, let's make a wrench. Wrench. Which one do I need? I think it's this one. That's bronze. Does it literally have to be made of bronze? Oh, are you kidding me? How do you make bronze? 3 copper and 1 tin. Okay, it's not actually that hard. Let's do that then. Oh, okay, let's go to bed first. Stay away from the map tonight. My singing might be terrible, but I like that song. Okay? Okay, you got me. I don't know what I look like, but okay. Well, I do know what I look like, but don't know what I did that. 1 pin. How much bronze does it make? 4. How much do I need? Okay, I'm gonna have to make 2 pieces. I'm gonna have to make 2. Fine iron and tin look very similar. Right, I'm going to get even more copper. Great. Smelt me 3 more pieces of copper. Why not 8? So it uses up all the 1 piece of copper. Okay, while we're waiting for that, let's just put down the macerator and the electric furnace. Then let's put the iron in there. Oh, cool. Didn't know it does that. Anyway, do that. Do that. Now yeah. Okay, so now if I take this iron dust out, I can put it in here and it will go extra quick. Oh yeah, this is the best. Okay, next up, wrench. Okay, that's enough. Let's get this tin. Get the bronze. Do this. And now we've got a wrench. Okay, now we need to make some pipes. Some cobblestones. And okay, 1 glass and 2 cobblestone. That's pretty simple. Oh yeah, I need a wooden one as well. That's just wood and glass. Okay, I need some glass. I chucked all my sand out. Yeah, let's go get some sand. Woohoo! Let's get it from over here because there's more. Give me all the sand. Might as well get a lot of it because I'm going to need lots of pipes. Maybe. I think I'm going to do more mistcraft than buildcraft, if that's what's called. Might be... I think it might be called something else, but buildcraft definitely something like this. Okay, let's take you out, put you in, take some of you out, some of you out. Okay. Let's cook that sand. Oops, don't need you. Put you away. Can put you away, put you away. Let's put you away, and you away. And let's get... No, I didn't do... Wait, do I have any wood? I'm not sure if you heard that, but my speakers on my computer just went bleh. They just went a bit weird. Weirdo. Okay, yeah, we've got lots of wood. Okay, that's all be enough. Why don't we just make 2 of each? Why not? Okay. How do we do this? Oh, wait, I need some levers. Let's make a lever, or a lever, whatever you want to call it.